eyes, let's make sounds. Glass, you're not slow, not fast. A-E-I-O-U are friends. Stretch them out, the fun never ends. Bounce like a bear, hiss like a snake. Shape each consonant, no mistake. Choo-choo, train or shush, be quiet. Practice both, you'll master the riot. Mid-K, but don't let it talk. Clap the P in pineapple walk. Blend the letters, smooth and sweet, like S-Street in star or fell in feet. Say it once, then say once more. Words will stick forevermore. Rhyme with cat, hat, bat, and ball. Sing them loud, sing them all. If a sound feels twisty-turny, giggle, try, you'll learn, surely. Now you found the sounds keep key. Speak with pride, look at you, yippee!